Here's the magic. You want the beer? So when I said Alas de Fuego, you thought I was making a joke.
You never taste anything and there we go. How's it be?
Howdy, cowboy.
How's it going, cowboy? I see you got the fire going. It gave me an idea. Very good idea. Angelitos de Fuego. I think it's angelitos, not angelitas. Alitas de Fuego. Alitas is wings. De Fuego, of fire.
What's wings of fire?
Remember we did that whole wing night thing at one stage where we want to go and see how people's chicken wings were. They're all the same. They all come from the same Cisco, and they chuck it in the fryer and they put the same sauces on it and so forth. In this particular case we were thinking, how about a mountain of chicken wings made with Sriracha Honey and Thai chilies?
That sounds pretty hot.
It makes me thirsty already. A whole mountain
I
of
can see you've already started.
chicken wings.
Number 1, number 2.
No, they're both closed. No.
Number
They're both closed, and whatever's in there is none of your concern. A mountain of chicken wings. We've already prepped our chicken wings. It's got all the good stuff that we usually put on at HQ. Sweet, savory, salty, yummy, delicious, all good things. So that's our mountain of chicken wings.
Okay, but is the heat already there? In the
no heat in here. The real magic in this whole recipe is going to be the fire, the fuego. But before that, I feel a very big fire already burning in me. I need to get this put out as fast as possible. Sriracha honey sauce. That's the hot stuff. And just because it's not hot enough, we're going to do this. We're going to put some rockets.
Rockets.
Those are like little Thai chilies.
Yes, those are gonna be rockets. They're gonna
light your ass on fire.
Light your ass on fire. It's gonna get you right into 2021. People say sriracha is hot. Yes, it's hot. In the particular case today is gonna be fucking hot. But this is just making it simple, flavorful, authentic, not fake. And the way we do that is by making one of the best hot sauces we know how to make. There we go. Ginger. I was lazy. I've already done the ginger. How adventurous are you today?
Really adventurous. Let's do it.
You sure? I think 2 is enough.
No, do 3.
Fuck it, let's do 4. Just put another one on there.
No. We're not going to die.
I bet you these aren't even that hot.
Give it a go. Cowboy. You want the beer?
You can hold it.
You want the beer? You're okay?
Woo! Okay, they are hot.
Mummy! El Fuego.
Okay, you got me on that one. I didn't think they were that hot.
The smallest gun has got the biggest firepower in it.
Okay, not bad. No, you got me some.
You got the notes, you got the memo. Here's the magic. Cockle-doodle-doo.
These are hot, man.
You want a beer?
They're just hitting me now.
You want a beer?
I'm good. We do this, I can't talk.
I'm trying to.
Okay.
I'm trying to talk here. We do this filmmaking challenge where you light the cameraman's mouth on fire and then you see if you can hold the camera steady.
Exactly. But it's nothing compared to how your ass is gonna feel tomorrow. So when I said Alas de Fuego, you thought I was making a joke.
I did, yeah.
When I said I'm gonna burn you right into 2021. We have butter, sesame oil, garlic and ginger. I'm feeling very tired today. Yeah. He's still crying. You want a bite?
No, I'm good. I'm good. I'm learning from his lesson. Do not try this at home. This is done by trained professionals.
Exactly. So all we want to do now is just cook the garlic and ginger a little. You want to lick the other line?
I did. Give it to me again. It looks like tomato sauce.
Yeah. Fire usually looks like tomato.
So red usually means hot.
El Fuego, El Fuego. In you go.
Devil peppers.
Good chunk of honey. Pepper. Salty. We're getting very close to the moment of truth, cowboy.
Yeah, I think you're gonna have to taste this one.
Let's just recap. This is a honey sriracha sauce, and we spiked it with Thai chilies and ginger with garlic. Now, if this doesn't give you a turbo boost, a fuego right into 2021, nothing will. And young Cowboy has set the challenge for us to do exactly that. Who wants to do quality control here? Cowboy, come here.
Am I gonna be your test subject?
Blow on it first.
Like that's gonna do anything. You never taste anything and there we go. What? What does it mean?
So let me just. That was yummy. No, it's not that bad. There's no okay, hang on a second.
Come on, drink it out. There we go.
Meaning lots of wings. So everything we do at least once. I just had a taste of the stuff. Oh.
And?
Yes.
Yeah, it's not so peachy as before now, is it? Because it's cooled down now.
I'm crying, man.
Now go ahead, take another taste.
Not now. Not now. This is for 2020. Fuck, I can't even remember what year we're in at the moment. It's time for a big Cowboy to man up this dish we're making. Can you remember what we call it?
Nope.
No? Alas de Fuego. Is your beer ready?
Tell me.
It's actually good. This is really good. I reloaded. There we go. Two finger, eh? Dude, that's the whole thing about wings. Two finger wing. This is a really, really good wing.
Well, I believe you.
No death.
Means we did it wrong.
We should put those on the menu. Take one. Okay. You tell me, what's the verdict?
I think it should definitely be on the menu.
Yeah?
It's only got a small bit of kick on it. This is nothing like the pepper.
Wait for it.
It's got really good flavor.
It's flavor, it's
No, it's not that hot.
okay, 1 on 10.
It's what in flavor scale?
Yeah.
You know what? Actually, I would give this a 9. And I'm not being modest. It's just because it ticks all the boxes.
It is a spicy wing.
It's a little spicy, yeah. Probably.
Okay.
Probably more so for other people, but I thought it was sweet chili at first.
Okay, so here's a question.
Yeah?
You want another one?
I think so, yeah. Let's do it.
$5. I think I just found the hot one.
Here we go.